There are moments in our life when we don't just feel hurt, we feel shattered. Like something inside us has cracked wide open and we don't know how to put the pieces back together. In those moments, it's easy to believe that we are broken beyond repair, that we've lost something we can never get back. But what if that isn't the truth? What if the parts of us that have been chipped or scarred aren't signs of weakness, but proof that we've survived? What if, instead of hiding those parts, we were meant to honor them? Today I want to share a universal truth. Our brokenness doesn't make us less. In fact, it may be where our beauty and strength begin. Let's talk about the gold in our broken pieces. Hello friends, my name is Marcia, and this is Divine Truth. The Japanese have an art form, kintsugi, where when something breaks, they don't try to hide the damage, they actually highlight it. They fill the cracks with gold, and instead of pretending nothing happened, they embrace the breakage. The flaws become part of the story, and the item ends up being more beautiful than before. That's how the universe sees us. We weren't meant to be flawless. We're not here to walk through life untouched, unscarred, or unchanged. Life doesn't work that way. Things happen. We get bruised, battered, sometimes brought to our knees. But we are never broken, not in the way we sometimes feel we are. The universe doesn't break us. It doesn't throw us away. And when the hard moments come, and they will, we get a choice. We can try to hide the pain, patch it up so no one sees it, or we can do what the Japanese do. We can fill those cracks with gold. Let them show, because that's where the light gets in. Your story, your full story, is what makes you whole, not in spite of the cracks, but because of them. I'll tell you something I've learned over the years. I don't have regrets exactly, but I do have perspective. If I could go back and do some things differently, I would. As a younger woman, I made decisions out of fear. Fear of failure, fear of being alone, fear of not being enough. And knowing what I know now, I would have made different choices. But here's the thing, I don't carry shame for that, because every misstep, every wrong turn brought me here. And these days I make decisions from a different place, from love, from clarity, from wisdom. And that's a gift age gives us if we're willing to look honestly at ourselves. I can see now that I caused pain, not just to myself, but to others too. And some of it could have been avoided. But I also see that I didn't know better at the time. I was doing the best I could with what I had. And now I try to live better. Not perfect, just whole. So if you're feeling broken or worn down, don't throw yourself away. Don't try to glue yourself together and pretend it never happened. Let the gold shine. Let it show. You're not broken. You're becoming something stronger and something more beautiful. And I promise you, the universe is cheering you on. Thank you so much for being here. Until we meet again, walk gently with your past, stand strong in your present, and trust in the beauty that's still unfolding.